Okay, so welcome back. This is episode 2 of Chalk and Chillies. Today we have
Charlotte.
For physics for IB. And yeah, let's get started. So we'll start off with the first question. What's the key difference between IB and A-level physics in terms of content and teaching approach?
Okay, do I put the source on first?
Here, you can go first.
Okay.
You're the first victim.
All right, allowed just one drop.
Yeah.
Oh, there we go. That's one drop. Lovely. There we go,
Thank
Simon.
you.
Okay. Nice chicken. That was quite strong, to be fair, for the first one. Okay. Content and teaching approach. Well, A-level, you have more supported time with BSB on the timetable. So you've got a more independent work yourself, where you've got maybe 4 or 5 hours each that you have to work a week, looking at content that you haven't studied in the class. IB, people say it's a broader subject, probably because you're doing 6 topics and physics is just one of those 6 subjects. So it's less content, but actually IB physics is still an awful lot of content. The fact is it's just more teacher directed. So most of the work you will do within class, and anything you need to know, you will be taught that in class and directed by the class teacher. So A-level is a lot more independent work, more time to do that yourself, less time with the IB, I would say. But content and depth, probably not as big a difference as people think.
Okay. That's good.
Finish that one off. Very nice.
Yeah. How do IB physics, SL, and HL differ? And what should students consider when choosing between them?
Okay, we're going for the second sauce.
Yeah. Barbecue. Oh no, pepper sauce.
Pepper sauce, smoky pepper sauce. Oh, quite a lot on there. We'll see how we go on that one. That was a lot more smoky barbecuing, isn't it? Absolutely fine. Like that one. Okay, so if you're doing standard level physics here at BSB, you get 5 lessons every fortnight. Whereas if you're doing HL, you get 9 lessons a fortnight. Obviously, HL, I think it's maybe there's a new structure in IB, it changed last year. So I think you get a third more units than you do at standard level, but you get almost twice the level of time to do it. It's not necessarily a higher level content, it's just more content, but I think the maths does get more complicated. So if you're going to do higher level, the maths level is a lot higher.
Yeah. Okay, that's a good answer. I'm already sweating a little bit.
Oh, come on, Simon.
Round 3. Can you share some insight on the assessment styles of IB versus A-level physics, and which do you think might suit different types of students better?
Let's have our sauce first then.
Oh yeah, keep forgetting. Pepper sauce.
Bounce back. Yeah, that's the one I have at home, so I should be all right with this one.
Okay.
Might not put as much on as the last one, though, to be fair.
Yeah.
Got a couple of drops on there. Go for it, Simon. Nice. So again, at BSB, I would say we're very similar in our assessment styles for IB and A-level. You will do end of unit tests that your tutor does. We use lots of online quizzes, things like Grade Gorilla. We use lots of websites like Physics Classroom, where it has worked examples and that type of thing. So I would say the assessment is very similar throughout the year. What is probably different is the exams at the end of the 2-year. That's a bit different. But during the years, it's very similar form of assessment.
Okay. I'll live. So, what are we, round 4? Yeah.
Yep.
All right. So, what skills and interests should a student have to excel in higher level physics, and is it worth the extra challenge? Habanero.
Oh, what's this one? Oh, right, this is getting a bit hot now, is it? I'm sure it'll be okay with this one. Oh, yeah, I'm having 1 drop of that.
A bit. Oh.
Still okay? What was it? Oh yeah, so higher level, it's is it worth the challenge? It's worth the challenge if you're wanting to go and do something like engineering. I think you have to have higher level if you're going to do engineering at university or something like, or looking at higher level maths or something like that. They really complement each other. But apart from that, I think you've just got to be good at maths, good at problem solving, good time management. The other thing you need to look at is what I didn't say is the papers are slightly different. In A level, you have 3 papers, and the third paper is like a synoptic paper where it brings lots of different topics together. So you have to be able to work your way through that. But you don't have that with IB. It's a little bit more straightforward. So if you like problem solving and free thinking and are good at maths and everything, I think you would be able to cope with higher level.
Okay. Do it now. Okay. So now we're on level 5. So
Level 5, piece of cake. We can do this.
So this was our old hottest one, but we added a new bonus round for yeah, why not?
Physics teachers, probably.
Yeah.
Let's go for it.
We're targeting you. So, in your opinion, what are the benefits of taking physics at high level in terms of university applications and future careers?
Let's have a go at this first. I think if you had smaller pieces of chicken, it'll be worse. The fact we got nice big pieces. That is the hottest so far. Oh, that's quite hot. That's quite hot. What am I doing? Benefits of taking physics. Okay. I think if you do any physics degree or any science degree, I think you're just telling an employer that you're very good at work, you're hardworking, you've got good problem solving skills, you're good at maths, you can problem solve, you can interpret. And I just think that's a good thing so you can have in any job. Opens many doors for you, gives you lots of transferable skills, graph plotting, Excel, data loggers and that type of thing. Yeah, so I just think it just shows you've got a very agile mind and you can move around and problem solve. I think any employer that has somebody who's had maybe a physics degree would know they're getting a high quality student.
Yeah. Ooh, okay. So the difference...
You're sweating, Simon.
Yeah, this is getting to me. So this was our old hot. This was rated at 33,000 Scoville units. This one is rated at 500,000.
Okay, we've got a couple big drink. It's not going very linear with this, are we, to be fair?
It's a big jump at the end. So, final question, if I can say it. For students who are unsure about choosing physics, what advice would you give them to help them make that decision?
Okay, we're going to go for it. This is very scientific. It looks like a little eyedropper pipette on top, doesn't it?
Doesn't work that well either. You might have to like slide it across.
Awesome. Substandard dropper. Okay, I'll go 3. You gotta go 3 as well, then, Simon. I can smell it from here. Oh, come on, you're really, well done. Right, I'm gonna do it together.
Yeah. Cheers.
Cheers. Oh. That hit you later on. Oh my God.
No, it does not taste good either. It has why would people buy this?
That's really quite hot. Right. Why should you choose physics? I would say the first thing you have to do when you're choosing whether it's A level or RIB, you have to do a subject you enjoy. You have to do a subject you enjoy, which obviously is physics because it's fantastic. But if you want to go for points, you do the subjects you're good at.
Yeah.
And you have to do a subject you enjoy and make sure that it's you that's choosing the subject. I know parents, I'm a parent myself, parents are very influential. But at the end of the day, it's not your parents who are doing the subject, it's you. You're the one who's got to do it. You're the one who's got to enjoy it and work hard. Physics is all around you. You can link anything around you to physics, and that's why I just think it's so fantastic.
Yeah.
But you cast points if that's what you're going for. Do the subjects you enjoy and do the subjects you're going to get the most points at.
All right.
And now I could really do with some water.
That's been Chalk and Chillies. We're ending that quick because we're dying. So I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you. I need some water.